India wants to become a global manufacturing powerhouse, but which sectors can actually drive this transformation? A new report by NITI Aayog identifies four high potential sectors to boost manufacturing growth. Those sectors are chemicals, textiles, telecom and networking equipment, and solar photovoltaic manufacturing. The report does not simply identify sectors based on size, it examines several dimensions of manufacturing competitiveness. These include market potential, infrastructure, policy support, raw material availability, technology readiness, employment potential, and global value chain position. The objective is clear: strengthen domestic capabilities, increase value addition, improve competitiveness, and accelerate export-oriented manufacturing. The study follows four stages. First, sectors are shortlisted based on domestic and global market size and growth prospects. Second, sectors undergo a comprehensive assessment of market potential, competitiveness, and strategic relevance. Third, India studies international best practices adopted by leading manufacturing countries. Finally, the report develops sector-specific recommendations and a roadmap. Let us look at the four sectors. First, chemicals. India's chemical industry includes petrochemicals, organic chemicals, specialty chemicals, and inorganic chemicals. Petrochemicals and organic chemicals form the largest segment, covering polymers, synthetic fibers, performance plastics, and intermediates. The major opportunity is to move further downstream by increasing domestic value addition and reducing import dependence. The report highlights domestic manufacturing, competitiveness enhancing investments, and strategic use of trade agreements as pathways for growth. Second is textiles and apparel. Textiles is one of India's most important manufacturing sectors. It contributes about 2% of India's GDP, 11% of manufacturing GVA, and 9% of merchandise exports. It provides livelihoods to more than 45 million people, the second largest employer after agriculture. In 2025, India exported textile products worth $37.7 billion and was the sixth largest textile exporter globally. The next challenge is moving up the value chain. India needs better raw material availability, stronger infrastructure, deeper trade integration, improved skilling, and technology adoption. The report identifies technical textiles, man-made fiber products, sustainable textiles, and premium Indian weaves as areas with significant potential. Third is telecom and networking equipment. India is the world's second largest telecommunications market with over 1.2 billion subscribers. The National Telecom Policy 2025 sets ambitious targets for 2030, including doubling GDP contribution and exports. The report urges India to become a major producer and exporter of telecom equipment. Key priorities include domestic component manufacturing, technology transfer, joint ventures, and integrated industrial clusters. Testing, certification, skills development, and export-focused segments are also important. The fourth sector is solar photovoltaic manufacturing. India had installed around 106 gigawatts of solar capacity by March 2025. To reach the 2030 target of 280 gigawatts, another approximately 174 gigawatts needs to be added. India's domestic photovoltaic market is estimated at about $3.7 billion and is expected to grow rapidly. The opportunity extends beyond installing panels to strengthening upstream manufacturing and reducing import dependence. The report recommends technology partnerships, joint ventures, greater R&D, clean tech clusters, and industry-led skilling. So what is the larger message of the NITI Aayog report? India's manufacturing challenge is no longer simply about producing more. It is about producing more competitively with greater domestic value addition, better technology, stronger supply chains, and access to global markets. The four sectors represent different dimensions of this strategy: chemicals for industrial inputs, textiles for employment and exports, telecom for strategic technology, and solar for the clean energy transition.